Got this parcel from Amazon today. Let's open it. This is how it looks. The MRP is 1899, manufactured in April 2022. Let's open this. The packing is really excellent. We have a seal here. There are a couple of packages inside. First one is the cleaning kit. First thing comes out are 4 dust removal stickers, followed by a microfiber cloth and the alcohol wet wipe. The second kit is to remove any kind of air bubbles after application of the tempered glass. Firstly, we have the instruction card, followed by spatula. This is plastic and the bottom is of rubber material. This one is pure plastic with sharp edges. Now let's check the tempered glass itself. The build quality definitely feels premium. It has proper stickers to indicate front and back. There are 2 flaps on the front side of the glass. We can use this to guide them exactly in the correct position while installation, and we can remove it after that. Here is the card which shows exact installation steps. And while I was editing this whole video, I saw a comment which says it is oversized. If you can see the tempered glass on the right, it is overlapping the screen by probably 1 mm. The left side is properly slotted in, the right side is not fitting in. Guys, I'll leave the link in the description. Don't forget to report this product on Amazon. Check this close up so that you guys understand how the fit is. It is definitely oversized by a small bit. I'll update the description if I hear back anything from Amazon. I'm going to report this now. Guys, I want you to click this link in the description. Scroll down and click on report incorrect product information. Other product, details, size chart, and leave your comments and submit.